Step 1. Using a floor plan. If you have an image of your data center floor plan, you can upload it to use it as a template. In the Build panel, find the Utilities menu and select Floor Plan. Click in the viewport to place it in the scene. Select your floor plan. In the Details panel under Utility, click Load Image and select the image you're using for your floor plan. If your image is a PDF, it will bring up a dialog box to change the scale. If the image is not a PDF, or you want to change the scale of your PDF after it's loaded, you can do that with the Scale Measurement feature. From the top view, find a point on your image where you know the scale. If your image doesn't have any measurements listed, most doorways are approximately 1 meter wide. Change the input field to the target distance you are trying to measure. Click the Scale from Measure tool. It will turn blue when it's active. Click with your middle mouse button and drag to measure your target distance. The floor plan will scale to make the target distance equal to that same distance in the program. If you do not have an image to work from, you can still create a data center from scratch. In the Build panel, find the Floors menu and select Server Tile 60 centimeter. Click in the viewport to place it in the scene. The default size is 10 by 10 tiles, but you can change that in the Details panel. Input 20 by 40 into the X and Y values. Use the colored arrows to adjust the position of your floor.